Hello everyone and welcome back to Snatty. I'm so glad you're here. Do you have an old boring tote bag lying around that you just don't use anymore? And today we are going to give it a total glow up using just few simple supplies. You might be thinking I can't paint, and you know what? That's totally okay. We are going to use super simple technique that anyone can do. The key here is fabric paint. This ensures it will dry permanently and be washable. You can find these at any craft store or even online. First, make sure your bag is clean and dry. If it's a bit dusty or has lint, just give it a good shake or a quick wipe. Then, and this is super important, take your cardboard or plastic sheet and slide it inside the bag. Make sure it's lying flat against the side you are going to paint. This will act as a barrier and stop any paint from seeping through to the back of the bag. Trust me, you don't want that. If you are feeling a bit nervous, you can lightly sketch your design onto the bag with a pencil first. Remember, keep it simple. These lines will be covered by the paint, so don't press too hard. Don't load too much paint onto your brush at once. It's better to do thin layers than one thick, gloopy layer, especially with fabric paint. It helps with even drying and prevents cracking later. See how easy that is? Just simple strokes. No need for perfection. You can use just random blobs, lines, geometric shapes, different size dots in a pattern or scattered. Easy, classic, and always chic. A simple bold letter can look really cool if you want to add it. Don't overthink it. The goal is to make it yours and make it pretty. Once your first layer is a little bit dry to the touch, you can add another color or more details. Don't be afraid to experiment. If you make mistakes, sometimes you can carefully wipe it off with a damp cloth. If the paint isn't fully dry, or you can just incorporate it in your design. That's the beauty of abstract and simple painting. Okay, once you are happy with your design, it's time for the most important part after painting. That is, letting it dry and setting the paint. Fabric paints need to cure. This usually takes at least 24 hours for the paint to fully dry and then another 72 hours for it to be completely washable. Always check the instruction on your specific paint bottle as drying times can vary. Lay your bag flat in a well ventilated area and let it dry completely. Don't rush this part. Look at this transformation from a plain old bag to something totally unique and stylish. I'm so happy with how this turned out, and I promise you, you can do this too. Imagine all the possibilities, different color combination, different simple shapes. The sky is the limit. Now it's your turn. Dig out that old tote bag and give it a new lease on life. I would absolutely love to see what you create. Tag Snatty, and if you post your creation or just leave a comment down below telling me what design you're thinking of trying. If this video inspired you, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here and want more easy DIYs, craft and creative ideas, then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching today. I had so much fun creating this for you. Until next time, stay creative, stay crafty, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.